everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today is Wednesday, January 4th, and we are having unseasonably warm temperatures in New Jersey. We're expected to get in the upper 60s today. And as many of you know, I'm on a no-buy and trying very, very hard. It's very difficult. I'm seeing things starting to roll in already for spring that I'm just eyeing. So what I decided to do is do my Shop My Closet series. And this week I'm doing blazers. And the reason why is, one, they're often neglected since I work from home, and two, the weather calls for it because it's in the 60s. If it were very cold, I'd be wearing my winter sweaters, but it's not. So having a blouse or a light shirt with a blazer over it when I get cold works perfectly. You might see this out of order. Today is Wednesday. I did wear a blazer the last 2 days. I just didn't film it. All right, so today's blazer. Today's blazer is from Skies Are Blue. I got it from a Stitch Fix years ago. It's a very muted plaid, all right? It has blue, and you probably can't see it, but a very, very, very faint, like rust color in it as a line. With it, I paired this rust blouse, and I'll take off the blazer, from White House Black Market. So this blouse is a full sleeve blouse that has the split sleeve, which I think are kind of out now. But again, I'm wearing a blazer, so nobody knows that this has a split sleeve here, okay? Again, it's in a rust color, and it has a little tie here in the back. Now, one of the things I also like this is not because it has rust in the matching, but it has the elasticized sleeves, so I can pull them up and put them underneath the blazer because the blazer itself has ruched sleeves, which I don't mind. You know, so that's how I wear this one. The blouse is from White House Black Market. The blazer is Skies Are Blue from Stitch Fix. The necklace I have on is from Madewell. I believe I got it in a trunk club before they went out. And my earrings today, I believe I ordered directly from Nordstrom. I saw Alicia Martin get these in silver on, I think, her Wantable box, and I was like, I have to have them, and that was like a long time ago. And I started doing some Googling, and I found them, I believe it was on Nordstrom, and got them from Nordstrom. The pants I have on today are Days Denim. They're called the Dad Jean. They're like a looser fit in the leg and then any other, and these don't have any stretch into them whatsoever, so I did have to size up from on these. You'll see they're distressed, and yeah, I like them. The shoes I got, I believe, from Nordstrom. I'll show them to you close up. They're by Chinese Laundry, and they're a mule style with just a little, strap here to slip my foot in. And that is today's blazer outfit. I will go back and get dressed so you can see my earlier outfits. I haven't decided whether they're going to be before or after this one. All right, take care, and you'll see some more. All right, here is my outfit for Monday. So Monday, I had the day off. It was considered a national federal holiday here for the New Year's. And all I had to do was run to the mall to do some returns. So I decided to put on my little bling jeans to be festive for the new year from White House Black Market. Now the stones in here are like pink pearls and then like rhinestones, so like clear glass, and it's a silver background. So because of that, I decided to wear a pink top. All right, this top is by Rachel Purcell, and the blazer, of course, again, this is Blazer Week, is by Skies Are Blue again from Stitch Fix. This is a scuba blazer. It is so soft and so nice. It has like the 3/4 sleeves, and you can like little cuff them up, all right? It was so warm here that this was fine enough for me to wear outside. It was so warm here on Monday, actually all this week, Monday, Tuesday, and today, Wednesday. All right, I'll show you the blouse. So the blouse has, it's 100% polyester, as was the White House Black Market blouse that I wore on Wednesday. So this one, again, has like shorter, like half sleeves with a little bit of flare here. It has Swiss dots all along it, right? And it has this square neckline. All right, and the shoes. Now the shoes, I'll take them off in a minute and show you. They're boots by Mark Fisher in ivory. They're not the ones I wore that day. And the reason being is the ones I had on were a pair of light gray suede Michael Kors with a stiletto heel. And guess what? The spike came out of the heel and I had nothing I was walking on. And they had a little bit of damage too. So I just didn't feel it was worth to get the heel repaired on them because there was a little bit of damage. If that heel did not fall apart on me, I would have continued wearing them, all right? But the shoes here, they're booties by Mark Fisher. I think they're called the Alani, and they got the pointed toe. You can see there's a little bit of damage there. I think I've got these last year or the year before, and I believe it was Nordstrom that I got these, and I think they're called the Ulani, and they're in ivory. And like I said, I did have a nice pair of pointed toe, stiletto-heeled Michael Kors suede booties, but they bit the dust. So guess what I'm going to be on the hunt for next year is a new pair of gray booties. All right, that's it for today, and I will try and do Tuesday. Okay, I forgot to show you on Monday's outfit what jewelry I was wearing. So this necklace is by Kendra Scott. I believe I either got it from Nordstrom. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got it from Nordstrom. Or I ordered directly from Kendra Scott, but I'm pretty sure this one came from Nordstrom. It's just a double-layered necklace with a little hammered medallion. And with it, a pair of climber earrings, which I'm pretty damn sure I got from a Nordstrom Trunk Club. So yeah, that's my jewelry. I have to say, I'm not a huge jewelry person. I have a very limited number of pieces, and I tend to use them over and over again. And it's kind of more like an afterthought for me, which is why I missed them in the first round. I'm just not a huge jewelry person. I mean, I like it. Don't get me wrong. I just not like into it like I'm into the clothes. All right, so today, I'll step back so you can see. I have a blazer from White House Black Market, years and years old. So that has the tie front, the buttons down the front, which I will unbutton so you can see the top underneath. This is a little snug for me, but I love this blazer, and this isn't going anywhere. It is stretchy, but it was, I think, like on clearance, like years ago, and like a size 0, and 2 is my normal size. I'm pretty sure this is a 0. Double 0. Oh my gosh, yeah. No wonder it's a little snug on me. But yeah, it's not going anywhere. I love it, and I don't think it's too snug for me to wear. Up next is this little knit top. This is actually like a thin sweater material in black and white stripes from Loft. Again, years old. And this is something I can even wear in the summer. It is very thin and lightweight. This is definitely 3 seasons. I've said this before. I like sleeveless tops because I can layer with them. And this one has a crew neck, not my typical turtlenecks that I typically wear. With it, I have a pair of Mother straight leg distressed jeans that I got at the Nordstrom anniversary sale. Mother is the only pair of Mother denim I own, but it is definitely my favorite pair of denim. They're so comfortable, so soft and stretchy, and they just fit right to my body perfectly. My shoes. So my shoes do not match my outfit. I'll be perfectly honest. I think the style matches. There's the loafer style that's very popular right now, but they're really a very dark burgundy and not black. I think it still works because it's kind of almost sort of like a pop of color with a all blackish outfit. Yeah, and this is what I wore when I was sitting home in front of my desk all day. All right, so now you've seen Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Stay tuned for tomorrow for Thursday's outfit of blazer of the day. Hi everyone, it is now Thursday and another day of doing my blazers and shopping my closet. So today I'm showcasing a blazer by Ichi, I-C-H-I, from Front Door Fashion. This is a knit blazer in an olive green, so I really like the knit. It's like a thick ponte type of knit because it's nice and stretchy and soft. It's pretty much the equivalent of wearing a cardigan in my book. Maybe not quite as soft as a cardigan, but definitely is flexible. So I have no problem wearing a blazer like this, okay? Underneath it, and I'll take off my blazer so you can see the top, is a short sleeve top in animal print with the typical strings here hanging style. It has, I think, a ruffled collar a little bit. Yes, a little bit of a ruffled collar up here up the top. This is from Loft from years ago, and I probably paid 20 bucks for it. It's a typical polyester blouse, and yeah, perfect. It's 20 bucks, it's held up, and good enough for me, and why not use it? I haven't worn it in a while. With it, I have paired my what are these? A coated jeans in a dark chocolate brown from White House Black Market. And they're the skinny style, which I'm not too fond of anymore. They fit fine around my waist and my hips and my thighs. When it gets down to my knees and my calves, they're skin tight here on my calves. I mean, there's like no room. So, you know, I wish there were like the rest of it was like this on my thighs. It's my calves are always so freaking tight. I am like, so when these like die out on me, I will get rid of them, but they are, I would say I got them last year, so fairly new. I'm going to keep on holding these and wear them until they do fall apart. All right, moving on down to my booties. Let's see if we can get a better shot of my booties here. All right, so my booties, I had a hard time styling this with shoes. My booties are years and years old. They're by Vince Camuto. They're in a dark chocolate brown, and they kind of have that almond type of toe, and I kind of feel they're kind of dated. Now, when they're in the closet, I felt they were really dated, and I wasn't wearing them. When I put them on with this outfit, I didn't think they were that bad. You guys let me know. What do you think of these? I'll even take them off so you can get a little bit closer look at them. And I did put in, I think I want a pair of dark chocolate brown shoes, like a pair of like heels, like a pump type of shoe, for an outfit like this to add to my wardrobe. So I put that on my list to get a pair of dark chocolate brown heels that are a little bit more versatile than boots. So what do you think of the boots? Should I keep them or should I donate them once I find a replacement? And that is it for Shop My Closet Looks today. See you tomorrow. Hi everyone, today is Friday, January 6th, and I have on my outfit of the day, which again is blazers. I have more blazers to show you, which I will probably restart again next week, but I wanted to show you this one, which I have shown you this outfit in the past. This is a camel color blazer that I got probably back in 2018 from J. Crew Outlet, and with it a sweater that's sleeveless. I'll take it off. That has a turtleneck style. Oops, my bra is showing here. Turtleneck style, and I'm wearing it with a pair of white jeans that I got from Amazon from Democracy, and the sweater is J. Crew too as well, J. Crew Outlet. And a pair of boots many years ago, probably 2017, 18, from a store, from Nordstrom, the brand Something Navy. Yeah, and they're heel boots, and this is my outfit for today for working at home. Yes, this is what I wear when I'm sitting at home in my home office. I wear a blazer and pants and dress up. And that is a wrap for this week. So I will see you again next week with some more blazers.